Hello guys, today I will present a lecturate regarding the India and China relationship. India and China are separated by the Himalayan region with sharing a border of Sikkim and Nepal. Adjoining, adjoining Kashmir, disputed area Kashmir of Aksai Chin and some area of Arunachal Pradesh. India and China have historically maintained a peaceful relationship between them, but in the modern times it varied sometimes. It has a significant cultural and economic relationship between China and India date back to the ancient time. The Silk Route not only connect the trade route between them, but also it spread the Buddhism from India to the East Asia. The, the Communist Party of China got the victory got the victory in the Civil War of 1949 and also the accession of Tibet in that year. In the year of 1950, China and India established a bilateral relationship between them. The dispute between the two countries arose three times. The Sino-India War of 1962, the, the Nathula and Chola dispute of 1967, and the Samdung-Chu standoff in the 1987. China, the president of China, Zai Lao, and the Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, in the year of 1950 said the need of the foreign relationship between them and signed the Panchsheel. Panchsheel was the five peaceful principles of the coexistence between the two countries. Recently, in the year of 2008 to the 2021, saw as the major significant in the economic development and the trade between the two countries. China became the largest trade partner of India in this period. In the year of 2020, as you know that there were disputes between India and China from the past time of 70 to 75 years, and on the night of 15 June 2020, one commanding officer and two Jawans were killed in the Galwan Valley. After that, India gave a befitting reply to the Chinese soldier and killed a substantial amount of soldiers in which they were ashamed to mention the number of soldiers. After that, the commander level meetup set up and the troops were 2 or 2.5 kilometer away from the illegally occupied region. So these are the relationship of China and India from the ancient time to the modern time right now.